About the economy, we've heard a lot about the housing market during the last several months.
Especially with quite a few interest rate hikes in the last year. So if you compare that with supply and demand, how are things looking right now? Channel 8's Mackenzie Johnson joins us in the studio with more on that. Mackenzie?
Yeah, for those of you looking to sell your house right now, things might feel like they're moving slowly. Maybe it's taken a couple weeks and you're thinking about lowering your asking price. Well, don't panic yet.
For the first time since about 2019, the amount of homes for sale in Lincoln are getting back up to what we would consider a neutral market.
Once the pandemic hit, Matt Mick says interest rates dropped to historic lows and homes started selling way faster than usual.
The amount of days homes spent on market, we saw a drastic decrease in that. It got as low as just 3 or 4 days for a while, which is, 10 to 20 times quicker than we would see historically.
And Mick says since then, that trend has pretty much continued. But in the last few months, things have started to cool down a bit, and the amount of time it's taking to sell a house has been increasing. So it may seem like it's not going well if you're trying to sell your house, but Mick says not to worry too much.
We're still under 2 weeks for that, at about 11 days. And in a more neutral market, which we're hoping to get back toward, you're going to see homes sit on the market between 1 to 2 months before they sell.
And especially right now, that market is going to be slowing down. Mick says October through December is usually a less popular time to buy a house since people are busy with the holidays and don't want to move.
There's never a bad time to sell your home. What you find in some of the quote unquote slower months are more serious buyers. People that are just out there looking aren't going to be doing that in the winter. And so you can get some really good buyers during that period of time.
So Mick says if you're trying to sell right now and it's taking a little bit of time, don't lower your price too early.
We do see the largest influx of buyers, March, April, May, that time frame. And then when school gets out, we see another pretty big burst of buyers into the market. So if you're looking, that's when, but I would start sooner rather than later. So I would start talking with a real estate agent now so you can start preparing yourself and your home so you are prepared to get the highest offer come the springtime.
And if you're looking to buy, the number of homes that are for sale usually doubles in January. But remember that homes usually increase in value in the spring, so you might get a better bang for your buck in the beginning of the year.
And Mick says it's looking like the market will start to move closer to normal in this coming year, which would mean a house is up for sale between 30 and 60 days before it's bought.